Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw fiat currency from Binance to your bank account. So let's get started. First thing, you want to navigate to the top right corner, hover over wallet and click fiat and spot. Now, right here, you can see that I have about 1,214 euros in my fiat wallet here. So what I can do is I can simply click withdraw. I select the currency that I would like to withdraw. In this case, it's euros, and then my preferred method of withdrawing. So in this case, it's a bank transfer because the commission here is much lower than the bank card. So bank transfer, then click continue. On this page, you need to select the amount that you would like to withdraw. In my case, it's 1214. This is the bank account that I'm going to withdraw this to, and my transaction fee is just €1. So once everything looks nice and sweet, you just click continue, confirm, and now it's going to ask you for 3 different codes: your phone number, your email, and authenticator code. So get code, and now get all these codes here. Once you have all the codes, you just simply click submit. And just like that, your withdrawn order has been submitted, and this amount is now going to your bank. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video.